Samoa has made the transition from a third world to a first world in one generation. In the process, we have increased the quality of life, the standard of living of our people more than 50 times. Since we started industrializing in 1961, our per capita income has increased from less than 1,000 to over 50,000 US dollars. In the process,
we've invested through CF, a platform where other Canadians and Americans have invested, and they have invested in some local businesses here in Macedonia. But quite frankly, you know, given some of the issues that we faced here domestically in the political situation, they haven't been good investments, but hopefully they'll get better.
I think it's a wrong assumption. Diaspora needs to feel they are part of the nation, and they need to feel it's a two-sided street. Not only diaspora needs to give something, but needs to get back. That's why the only way you can really engage diaspora, if the diaspora will feel it's a two-sided street, in my opinion, in Armenia, being Armenian. I don't know Macedonian story, but I'm talking about my Armenian experience. That's why for diaspora, it's very important not just nicely welcome and provide nice food and drinks, but also provide infrastructure which allow them to feel that they've been treated the same way like they treat local people. They get the opportunity to share their experience and knowledge, and people will be open to learn, open to listen and advise. At the same time, diaspora needs to be respected to local traditions and local nuances, and also not try to be arrogant and say, just do what I tell you. Why?
It sounds trivial, but the fact that we're all here speaking about Macedonia and how it's going to be looking and what it's going to look like in quite a few years' time is top to bottom. What it's going to look like in quite a few years' time is top to bottom. Things drill down eventually, and people move forward in the direction that you want the country to go to. So if you take a decision that you want to excel, you want to boost the economy, that's the first point.